Hey y'all, Travis is cutting these little logs up and I want to show you this saw he got, how good it works. And it's battery charged. Look at that. That's a bad little saw right there. Get you one of them.
Look at me and go. Now go. Let's go.
So now that's the big part of the tree. Where are you going to start on that one?
If you got a smoker and you got a mulberry tree, mulberry wood makes the best smoker wood.
Now he bought that Dewalt with his own money, but Dewalt, if you're watching and you want us to show off some of your other tools, let us know. You want me to hold it for you?
You don't need to get that on video where you offered. If the video camera wasn't on, she wouldn't offer.
Look. That ain't true. Show y'all pile of wood he's got so far. He put it in this plastic container right here. And that's what he's got so far.
Let's get this wood up. What are you waiting on? waiting on the video camera to do it?
No, for you to quit so the sawdust don't get all over my face. What?
We'll feed some chickens how to play this stuff today.
Like one that they used to be in Cherokee and then
Yeah.
That's the last one. We're going to be putting up our garlic. We've had a bunch of these braided throughout the year, and now it's time to preserve our garlic. So this is what I've got so far, and we still have a lot to go. So any of y'all out there that do a lot of garlic, you might consider getting you one of these.
What is it?
I just want to get a video of you cooking.
You ain't supposed to show nobody this. 'Cause this is how old people eat when there ain't no young ones around.
We eat good.
I'm just kidding. I like it when my kids want to eat like this too. They don't want to eat like this with us like they used to.
That ain't gonna stop us from eating.
called a porterhouse.
And that's the perfect little grill for 2 people.
And that's red shrimp, red jumbo shrimp from the Atlantic Ocean.
It's gonna be good, y'all. See, we went from the smoker when we had the kids coming a lot, when they used to come, and their friends and stuff. So we went from the smoker to this size grill when we were cooking a little bit more for other people. And this is a 2-person grill. When it's just me and him, we can still have a good steak and shrimp.
But we still want all our kids to come because we've got plenty and we want to cook for them too. Whenever they get ready.
That's right. Banjo, you gonna eat? You gonna get a bone?
I'll tell you something. That right there will make a bunny rabbit break a log chain.
They look good.